Hello, have you ever wanted to just give one of your team members a calendar view of the tasks that they need to do in the next week or month? It's very easy to do with Project. Just click on the Task tab, go to Calendar, and then select View and Filter. And here we're going to apply a built-in filter using Resource. And we're going to show the calendar for the development team. We'll click OK. There you go, and you can see all of the development team's tasks. Now we can print this, go to File and Print. And here you can see we can print specific dates, so you might just want to show them the coming month or week, or you can print the entire project for the development team. I found that the project teams I work with find this really very useful and much easier to read than the Gantt chart, which they tend to see as my domain.